Get excited about the 2010 Lexus LX 570. It features an automatic transmission, four-wheel drive, and a powerful 8-cylinder engine. It includes power seats, a built-in garage door transmitter, automatic dimming door mirrors, heated seats, illuminated running boards, power moonroof, rain-sensing wipers, and a split-folding rear seat. Third-row seats provide an even greater maximum passenger capacity. Lexus also prioritized safety and security with features such as head curtain airbags, front and rear side impact airbags, traction control, brake assist, anti-whiplash front head restraints, a security system, an emergency communication system, and four-wheel disc brakes with ABS. Safety and maximum capability are assured via self-leveling rear suspension, which maintains optimal driving geometry. This vehicle has achieved certified pre-owned status by passing Lexus's comprehensive certification process. Stop by our dealership or give us a call for more information.